everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2023 Ram 2500 Bighorn. With just over 47,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature an 8-foot bed, and it is equipped with a 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is 4-wheel drive. It does have one monitor on the Carfax with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this 2500 well equipped with high intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights with fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front tow hooks. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this Ram, you'll enjoy nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into the back of your tow mirror. Your tow mirrors also have power telescoping and folding capabilities. This Ram is also equipped with fixed running boards and keyless entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a touch of gray. And as you can see, you'll enjoy nice elements like leather, gray stitching, nice gray fabric, some brushed aluminum, and then some dark ash faux wood. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this heavy-duty Ram. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. You can see all the tires are 11/32 all the way around. The brake pads are 9 and 15s in the rear. And as you can see, everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console and a fold-down armrest. Looks like we have 2 beverage holders here. Nice carpeted floor mats, and underneath on either side you will have your Ram storage bins. And making our way around to the 8-foot bed, you will notice this Ram is equipped with a drop-in Bedliner, high definition rear camera, all of your towing equipment including your hitch receiver, and 4 and 7-pin wiring. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered door locks, powered windows, power folding mirrors, and power telescoping tow mirrors as well with lighting options. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector, followed up with the brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. Upon startup, you can see just over 47,000 miles on this 2500 Bighorn. And as far as steering wheel-matic controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some Bluetooth capabilities here. You do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth. And over here you will have a selector for that center screen. To the right, you'll have some cruise control options, and down below you'll have a manual gear select. Bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system up top. As you can see, you will have some storage here for keys or documents, and you will have a 12-volt output as well. And then bringing our attention to the screen, as far as audio is concerned, you have your standard FM, AM, XM radio, of course with Bluetooth connectivity, and that will include your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And of course it is equipped with a nice large display for your rear camera as well. And if we look here, we also have an additional view for your hitch. We'll go ahead and hit that magnifying glass. That's going to make it easy for you to hook up to whatever you're hooking up to. Down below you have some simple radio controls on either side, followed up with a 4-ways and traction control option. And down below you can see you do have automatic climate control here. And you will notice this particular Ram is equipped with your integrated trailer brake control and exhaust brake and tow haul mode. And to the left you will see you do have your 4-wheel drive selections here. And down below you will have options for USB, USB-C, and an auxiliary for alternative audio. And this is what I like about this Ram, plenty of versatility here. You have an option for that middle rider here, or you have some nice storage options here. So you have this upper compartment, again with USB charging down below, beverage holders. This is going to go ahead and fold up, and you have an additional storage down below here as well. And under the hood you have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram 2500 has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram. Keep in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. So starting up front here, nice bright silver metallic exterior here. You will have some paint chips here, some scuffs, but all otherwise very clean. As you can see, your chrome trim in the front, really nice shape, no dents or dings in the front chrome bumper. I did want to mention your headlights are clear, no cracks, no condensation, so your bright LED headlights can shine through, and your tow hooks do not look like they were used. Really good shape here on this heavy duty. Coming down to the wheel and tire setup, as you can see, no curb rash on those wheels, pretty good shape, no chipping or peeling of any kind. Your badging is in good shape as well. No discoloration on the tow mirrors here. And then your turn signal indicators, this plastic piece encasing all that equipment is in good shape. You will have some scuffs right here, but no cracks, no condensation built up. Your chrome and black running boards are in good shape. Taking a look inside, we are on the passenger side door card. As you can see, very clean, no rips or stains or tears. And that goes along with the rest of the truck as well. As you can see, headliner is clear of any rips or stains, no discoloration, and no odors, no smoke odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Let's take a look at the back seat here really quickly. As you can see, even on that premium cloth, really good shape. Small spot right there, maybe a little discoloration, but otherwise, really good shape like new here. Nice carpeted floor mats. Making our way to the 8-foot bed here on the top. Trim pieces here on the bed rails, as you can see. You're going to have some scarring from cargo going in and out, as well as the molding on top of the tailgate. Otherwise, you're dropping bed liners in really good shape. Let's take a look at some of these blemishes here on the passenger side bed. As you can see, some touch-up spots here, some deep scratches here on the back. Moving on to the tailgate here, as you can see, we do have a blemish there. So this truck does not go without blemishes. We like to be transparent here at All Things Automotive. And guys, these vehicles are priced accordingly and aggressively, okay? No dents or dings on the rear bumper, really good shape. Coming up the driver's side again, blemish here, looks like a touch-up spot here on the driver's side bed. Scratch there. Couple blemishes here and there, as you can see. There we go. And then making our way to the cab. Cab corners, rockers, all good. All the way up. Your trim pieces on the outer door are in good shape, no discoloration or fading here on the moldings around the door handles. And then ending up at the driver door tow mirror cap, as you can see, you have some minor cosmetic blemishes, but all in all, pretty good shape, no discoloration. So in recap, we just took a look at our 23 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This is the 8-foot bed crew cab, 6.7 liter diesel. So if you have any questions, there's a few ways you can reach us here. Call 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy and it only takes 10 minutes of your time. And when you do get pre-approved, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Ram does qualify. So we hope to see you here at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.